Welcome, young explorers. Today, we're going on an amazing journey back in time to the ancient lands of prophets and miracles. Get ready to learn about Hazrat Ishaq, a blessed prophet of Allah, whose story is full of wonder, faith, and love. Long, long ago, in a land of golden deserts and starry skies, there lived a great prophet named Hazrat Ibrahim. He was known for his unshakable faith in Allah, and Allah loved him dearly. Allah had promised Hazrat Ibrahim something truly wonderful, a son who would carry the light of faith to the world. That son was Hazrat Ishaq. Peace be upon him. His birth was nothing short of a miracle. His mother, Hazrat Sarah, was very old, so old that no one thought she could have a child. But Allah can do anything. When the angels came with the news of a baby boy, Hazrat Sarah was amazed. She could hardly believe it. But Allah kept his promise, and Hazrat Ishaq came into the world, a blessing for his family and for all of humanity. Hazrat Ishaq grew up in a home filled with faith, kindness, and wisdom. His father, Hazrat Ibrahim, was one of the greatest prophets ever, and young Ishaq learned so much from him. He learned to be patient, to be honest, and most importantly, to trust in Allah in every situation. As Hazrat Ishaq grew older, Allah honored him with prophethood. He became a prophet in the land of Canaan, a beautiful region with green valleys, olive trees, and ancient stone wells. He called people to worship only Allah and to be good to one another. Hazrat Ishaq was known for his gentleness and his deep love for his family. He had two sons, Hazrat Yaqub and Isu. And from Hazrat Yaqub's family came many more prophets. That means Hazrat Ishaq is the grandfather of an entire line of blessed prophets, including Hazrat Yusuf, whom we know for the beautiful story of the coat of many colors. What a legacy! What a blessed family! So, what can we learn from Hazrat Ishaq? First, miracles happen when we trust in Allah. Even when things seem impossible, Allah's promise always comes true. Second, learn from those around you, just like Hazrat Ishaq learned from his great father. Third, be kind, be gentle, and always do good. That is the way of the prophets. The story of Hazrat Ishaq reminds us that Allah's blessings can come at any time, in any way. All we have to do is believe, be patient, and keep our hearts open.